Today's tutorial, I want to show you how to do your soil type map in Qgis. Okay, so this is the interface of the Qgis. So to do your soil type map, I will first of all add my layer. Okay, so I will come over to layer, then come to add layer, then add vector layer. Okay, then navigate to the folder that I have my data. And I have my vector data. Okay, I will click on open and click on add. After that, I will close this window. Okay, so here is my soil type data for the whole world. So I want to extract for only a portion of interest. So I want to do a soil type map of Nigeria. So I will right click on the layer, then I will come over to open attribute table. Okay, you can see a whole lot of countries. Okay, so I will come to select feature using an expression. I will click on it, then scroll down to where I have, scroll down to field and value, click on it to open, scroll down, then double click on country. Okay, then click on equal to. Then I will come over to all unique. I will click on all unique. You can see all the countries. So I will search for the country of my choice where I want to work with. So I want to use Nigeria. Okay, so I will come over to the search option. I will search for Nigeria. Double click on it, it will appear here. Okay, then after doing that, I will click on select features. Then I will close this window. Then I will come over to show all features. Click on it. Then scroll down to show selected features. Okay, you can see all the selected features. We have about 328 selected features. Okay, so after doing that, I will close this. So to export this layer, I will come over to the layer, I will right click on the layer, then scroll down to export, save selected features as. Okay, file name, I will navigate to where I want to save my work. Okay, and give it a name, Nigeria. Okay, after doing that, I will click on save. Then I will select my CRS. I want to use WGS 1984. And after doing that, I will click on OK. Okay, so our layer has been exported, so I will uncheck the warshape file. Okay, so you can see only the soil type of Nigeria. So to do the soil type map, I will right click on it, right click on the layer. Okay, right click on the layer, come over to properties. Okay, then come over to symbology, then categorize it. Okay, the value field should be dump soil. Okay, so you can see all the soil type. Okay, so after doing that, I will click on OK. Okay, so our soil type map is ready. Okay, if you are not okay with this color, you can still change the color. Okay, can change the color for a better visualization. So to do that, I will still come over to my layer. Right click on the layer and then come down to properties. You right click on the coloram, you can see so many colors. Then come over to create new coloram. Then change the gradient to catalog CPT city. Okay, then you have for this color, so I will come over to topography. I will come over to topography. Then I will choose on elevation. I will choose elevation. You can see the color of elevation. After doing that, I will click on OK. Apply and OK. So guys, that is how to do your soil type map. In my next tutorial, I will show you how to do soil type classification using SWOT data. Thank you very much for watching.